What if I told you that you can build a fully functional website using HTML, Bootstrap and JavaScript without writing code manually? In this video, I will build a complete website using AI plus OpenCode CLI, and you can copy this exact method. No frameworks, no confusions, just real web development. Today I'm not explaining theory, I'm building a real website step by step. Before writing any code, we need a clear plan. Instead of wasting time, we ask AI to define website structure, decide sections, suggest features. Now comes the game changer, OpenCode CLI. Instead of writing everything manually, we describe what we want and AI writes the code. This is how modern developers work smarter. Now I'll give AI a clean professional prompt. As you can see, AI instantly generates proper HTML structure, Bootstrap class, JavaScript logic, and responsive layout. Now we test nav links, contact form validation, button interaction, mobile responsiveness. This is what makes the website fully functional. So the entire website was built using HTML plus Bootstrap plus JavaScript plus AI. This skill can help you learn web development faster, build projects, start freelancing, or create your own startup website. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI plus web development tutorials, comment below what website you want to build next using AI. AI doesn't replace developers, it replaces slow developers. So thank you so much for watching.